Okay, this is Google AI Studio and it can teach you every software live. Yes. Let me show you. I have shared my screen to it and now I want to learn Google Looker Studio from this. So let's start. Open the mic and let me talk to it. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly. I
Okay.
see that you have Google Looker Studio open. What would you like to do next?
Now I want to add some charts in it. Help me to do that thing.
Great! To add a chart, go to the Add a Chart menu at the top. Do you see
Okay.
it?
Yes, I can see it. Now what?
Now, choose the type of chart you want to add. For example, you can select a table chart. Can you click on the table chart icon?
Okay, done. Now what?
Good. Now click and drag on the canvas to draw the table chart. You can adjust its size as you like.
Done. Now what? I have made a table chart. Okay. Now what?
Now, on the right side, you should see the data properties. You can select the data source for this chart. Is the correct data source already selected?
And if I want to change the data source, then what I have to do?
To change the data source, click on the current data source name or the blend data option. Then choose the data source you want to use from the list.
If I want to use ship country and with order ID, then what I have to do?
Okay, in the dimension section, remove the current dimension and add ship country. Then, in the metric section, make sure order ID is selected or add it.
Okay, order ID. I have to drag it to matrix. All right.
Yes, drag order ID to the metric section. This will show the count of order IDs for each ship country.
It shows system error.
Okay, if you see a system error, it might be a temporary issue or there might be a problem with the data source. Try refreshing the page. If the error persists, check if the data source is properly connected and the
Okay,
fields are correctly configured.
leave it. Help me to add a bar chart.
Sure. Go to the Add a Chart menu again, and this time select the bar chart icon. Then click and drag on the canvas to place the bar chart.
Yes, Louis. Okay, I got the chart. Now I want to change the dimensions and I want to show different things. Like as you can see, it is woman, man. The gender is selected with the order ID. I want to change it to country with order ID.
I see. In the dimension section on the right, remove the gender dimension and add ship country instead. The metric should still be set to order ID to show the count of orders per country.
Ship country. Okay.
Yes, that's correct. Now you
Listen.
should see the bar chart.
As you can see, it
Yes?
similarly it also shows the system error. You're not teaching me well.
I understand. It seems there might be a persistent issue with the data source or the connection. Double check the data source configuration and try selecting a different data source if available.
Okay,
Also,
okay.
ensure that the fields you are using are compatible with the chart type.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.